completed we completed successfully Power BI desktop installation we completed. To work with uh, any one database, we need to install the database also in our mission. Next one we have here something known as SQL Server installation. We have it. SQL Server is also product of Microsoft. So I choose an SQL Server uh, database. I choose it. If people are interested about Oracle or Teradata, whatever it is, you can go ahead and you can install that respect to things. You can install it. Okay, please go on mute everyone. I'll mute all.
Okay, sorry.
Now, Microsoft SQL Server installation is very easy. It's similar to the Power BI desktop. Just you need to click on next, 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 next. You have to click on it. I given the link here. Download SQL Server developer edition. Click here, right? Right click on this one. Open this link in new tab. You are going to see one window. This is what SQL Server downloads. If you scroll bit down, there is a version called as developer version is available. There it's can see here full featured free edition. All the features will be there and it's free of cost. Free of cost. You can go ahead and you can download this one. If you click on this download, you are going to get something that is known as MSI file or .exe file. You are going to get something like this. If you double click on this one, then you're going to ask you what type of installation you want to do, basic, custom, or download media. If you select the basic, then move on to the next. It's going to ask the license agreement. Then it is going to ask here where you want to install it. Whatever default path is given, keep that path. You can notice here the size of this one is very small size available. Download size is equal to 1426 MB. Minimum free space required is 8994 MB. Nowadays, people having 500 GB hard disk, 1000 GB hard disk like that. I don't think so. This MBC is problem for you. It is very small software. Now you can click on here the install. It will start installing. It may take minimum to minimum 10 minutes of time. Once 10 minutes of time is completed, it's going to show you like this. Installation is completed successfully. Once it is completed successfully, then we need to install one more product. The product is known as install SSMS product. However, this install SSMS I given here, next article I given here, you can notice this is the next one SSMS we given. This SSMS is a tool which is going to work on top of SQL Server, on top of SQL Server to write or execute SQL queries. It is very useful. So that's what the SSMS, you need to install SSMS mandatorily. How to install is go to here, then try to download this one. This page is again equal to the same page from where you downloaded SQL Server. In the same page, if you scroll down bottom, there is one option is available, download SQL Server Management Studio SSMS. If you right click on this one, open this link in new tab, you will see here download SQL Server Management Studio. There we are seeing one link, free download option we are seeing it. Click on this one, the software will be downloaded into your mission. Once it is downloaded, simple click on next, 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 that will be installed for you. I given screenshots also I given here. This is what we are going to get the .exe file. Once you have the .exe file, click on here, next, 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 it will be installed for you. That's what at this point of time you required. Down the line, whenever time demands, I'll go for the MSP how to do the installation and also how to restore the databases. A number of other installations are available like MySQL, how to install it, those things. I'll explain later those things. At this point of time, everyone to be complete the installations, 3 installations need to complete. One installation you need to complete is Power BI desktop installation you need to complete. Second installation is Microsoft SQL Server database, you need to install it. Third, you need to do is Microsoft Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, you need to install it. Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, you need to install it. These 3 components you must complete installation. Then we are good to go for our next practical activities. Practical activities. And these three are Very small space is required. Maximum to maximum, it will occupy 1 GB or 2 GB of the space only occupy altogether. And its installation also, just simply click next. We have to click on it. It's like very simple. MS Office, how we are installing it. Similar to the MS Office, we are going to install. These all things we are going to install it. There is no pain. Click on next. You have to do it. That's it. Please complete these three things. Then we'll move on to the practical activities. We'll try to move on to it. We'll see in the next video, moving to the practical activity.